Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Also, make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Jamequa. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create my YouTube videos. So this demonstration will help you create content more consistently. Every time you upload a video, add value to your viewers. Now, if Instagram is more of your thing, I also uploaded a video on how I edit my Instagram pictures to attract potential customers. I'll leave that card on the screen if you haven't watched that video. I'm going to show you what categories I use to organize my YouTube videos so that I'm giving my viewers valuable information. These are all the categories I like to use for my videos. I don't like to complicate stuff. I just like to keep it simple. First one is the title, and I usually write the title at the top. Then I use keywords, which are usually the tags that you put in your video. And then the next one is the intro. So my intro is when I say, "Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel." That's my intro. And then I go into my main point. Why am I making this video? The main point is going to relate to the title. If you notice, I always link a previous video. This is if possible. This is what we call evergreen videos, where you link a video in another video so that you can continue the views of that previous video. This is where you add value. Going to give your viewer value in your video. I do this by relating the information to my viewers. I know who is watching my video and what they're looking for. You can put personal experiences in there, and then I either show or do a demo. This is optional. I do the outro. Encourage. Feedback. So in the end of this video, I'm gonna say, let me know if you like videos like this so I can make more videos. I like to use Google keyword planner, and I just recently started using vidIQ. We have our title, keywords and tags, intro, main point, link a video, a previous video, add value to your viewers. You can add a demonstration or a tutorial. You do your outro, and then you encourage feedback. Now, you could do this process on your computer. I like to use notes sometimes on my Mac or on my phone. This just saves time in the uploading process. So once you have all your categories down and all the information you want to say in your video, you just press record. That is how I create and organize my YouTube videos. Let me know if you want more videos like this, if this was helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.